Hi everyone, this is Amit from Relanote. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the AI chat tool inside Relanote. Let's get started. So head over to the left side menu and click this chat button and you'll see a modal pop up which will show you these options. You can either upload a file from your computer, paste a link from the web, or use an already uploaded file from the media center. I'm just going to use a file that I have here, which is a short story, The Lottery Ticket by Anton Pavlovich Chekhov. It's about 19, I would say about 2000 words. All right. So just going to click on that, create chat, and you'll see that the chat has been created. Now you can ask questions. Let me say, please provide um, bullet point summary of this story. All right. So it's come back with a summary, main character, setting, plot, etc. Okay, let me ask it something else. What are the takeaways? Please provide a bullet point list of the learnings from this story. All right, great. So it's come back with a detailed kind of list of what the takeaways are, what the learnings are. What I'd like to do now is just export this by clicking on the export button on the top right. And now you'll see that the chat has been exported to a note where I can further, either kind of expand on this as I research more into the story, or I can save it in a notebook. I'll just call it the lottery ticket. All right. Um, I'll also show you how you can create a chat using web pages. I'm just going to go to Google and search for an article on atoms. Um, Probably use something like Wikipedia or Britannica. All right, let me copy this link and create the chat, paste the link. All right, this chat has been created. I'm going to ask it a question from this page. What is the atomic model as per this web page? Oops, if I can spell. All right. The atomic model, as described on the reference web page, outlines the fundamental structure of an atom, which consists of structure, subatomic particles, volume. Okay, cool. Um, let's see what else I can ask it on the page. What are orbits and energy levels as per this source? Cool. So it's come back with explanations. Again, I can just export this to a note and uh, call it Britannica atom. All right. Cool. That's about it. So you can upload a file from your computer by clicking on This chat, you can upload a PDF, Word doc, or a text file. You can paste a link from any source that allows AIs to crawl it, and you can upload a file from your media center. That's how you can chat with it. All right. Thank you.